Welcome to video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to make a title motion tracking object in Premiere Pro. So I have already created the tracking title image. You can create tracking title image in Photoshop. Save the images in PNG format. Bring the images and video to your Premiere Pro timeline. For image resize, go to Effect Control. Click on the motion. From the scale, you can reduce the image size. Then click on the position toggle animation icon. You can see a keyframe is created. Next, move 5 to 7 frame to the right. From the position, move the tracking title image to the object. Move 5 to 7 frame right again. Move the tracking title image again to the object. Make the whole video like this. Done. Play the video. Then do the second object in the same way. Thanks for watching the video.